Wow, what an incredible video from the Las Vegas desert. Going over to Hampshire, United Kingdom. And here we go, a video by Sarah Jane. I think this video's from this past week. She looked up and saw an incredibly bright object in the nighttime sky. This object wasn't moving, wasn't making any sound, wasn't blinking. Clearly not a helicopter or an airplane. Don't know what this was. She didn't either. That's why she was recording this thing, because of its mysterious personality. We've seen a lot of these things here recently look very similar to this right here. All around the world. I mean, people on a daily basis. I get videos every day of these mysterious lights in the nighttime sky from all around the world. Going to Pittsburgh, Texas. Here we go. Yet another mysterious object in the nighttime sky. Margaret, this video goes back to December 21st of 2024 at 9:17 p.m. Looks very similar to what was spotted above the United Kingdom. However, this one has a few more colors, but it looks to be about the same size and at about the same altitude. And coming up is video number 6 of a collection of 6 videos that I put together for you guys. This video has narration going back to Las Vegas, sent in by